One of the challenges in IT is maintaining a list of who has access to what application. Users are constantly being hired and changing roles, and you can be in the middle of this. You can be having to try to hook into HR and suggest which applications. A simpler approach is to allow the users to see a catalog and to request access themselves, and then you go through a simple are they in the role and then grant them role. Here at Agilicus, we work a lot with loosely coupled workers. And we wanted to make it very, very simple for our customers to allow their workforces to be successful and efficient. So we have a very simple user interface called Profile, and it works as a progressive web app, which means that it will run as a mobile app on your phone or as a desktop application. On a mobile phone, it acts as your launcher for the IT application set of your organization. And you see, when you open it, you see a little application tray. For the video here, I'm showing the desktop version because it's easier to capture. And you'll see that when you open it, there's a set of 3 tabs. There's the applications that I already have access to. These are the ones I need to do my job. There's a set that I've requested access to, and these are in the process of being reviewed. And then there's the entire set that exists, the universe, that I can request from. And you'll see what happens when the user comes and they click on something in the all category, and they say, I think that I need access to this. And it pops up a little box, tell me why or who you are, who your manager is. And then you're going to see, I'm going to switch tabs, and I'm going to show the administrative view. And there's a list of all the pending requests, who's asking for access to what. There's a suggested default role. I can just click and say, yep, all these users I accept as is, or I can edit it. I can say, well, this user's requested permission to edit, but I think they only need access to view. And once I click the grant, when we switch back to the user, you'll see that it's moved from the all category through the requested category to the I have access category. And every time they click on it now, it just automatically launches the application, which is the default flow that you want. You'll also see in the administrative interface that there's an audit. We can see what they have access to, when they've logged in, and every single transaction they've ever performed on every application, which means that, for diagnostics, you could be debugging the user saying, I don't think I have access, it's not working. It could be for security forensics. Somebody fesses up that they wrote their password down on a piece of paper and they've lost it, and you can see who's accessed it since then. We think this self-serve model is a lot simpler for people. It's less work, it's more immediate, it's more instantaneous, it's more self-served, and we think you should give it a try.